to understand. Ma kon dia chan jalat loy ne gan kon ndu to kon ko kur mi atin nyen kon ko kuma jinu Sudan but loko nu chot ko kon pichi loko nu ya ko kon so chana jo goro ndu ban jalat gat kon bana pal kel ka ke bigada la nyam pala ala wo biya ngajinu every day mi podu kwandu mane so Sudan rai pala pal take power you take a power chenge ran charo about power dung yun so kata dia to dia ta power ma lungo mo please do it ka bi encourage ni na gwa me she ne dia to lat ka je yen ne ko dia to ke news ni ka tok Nuera ala ku yen moral ku yen support she lo de she test ka ye nyando thank you she giel ta lo de ka ji melody di the long 2 days ago me ba ku be no live and tell her blood pressure but I think that day it was almost happening because tell her I'm better then we feel down chere men andar ke lo so min chia berar chia na luak be jogan thank you nyangier panan thank you la bi kor mi di bi bater Emmanuel Jal thank you ter kor mi di de long kene radio no tun kong ti bana la ba ka ban jacob ya feel bia take hope ko hope mi hope du mi liu tell me la long keleni but if you still have hope la janga jinu okay go take me dong me de le take the dol me dong tit just it came in my mind take the dol me dong tit chebin cha gwanda onda chebeli cha gwanda onda jo gwanda onda tuk du take leji ka gwandi ti like barar chu gwandi chu loy de chwe je ko gwa me dong tit cha wo gan take me cha ngai re take cha wo mi chi le du bay ati ko rob du mi chi bay cha wo la janga ji go te ka mala ba jere te ka cha wo mi chi le ku chi ka bararo cha wo la janga ji no chi te ka power mi ton mi chi bat ka ji min chi ka de li ne ne cha gwandong jo ga ka la wo ne ka tir lon ka lo kap ko cha nga je no cha ka bi sha ma gwandit ala wo ne ka tir lon ka lo kap so kwa go go ramdid arano ko go re de bedi and it's a very long story but I just try to do it in short way so go go like ku tika barar ngum ngot so ci power du ci jene chang le la kam ci ga chala wori ci ko top ci nyen ka toy ka te dare nyoy ci ka kam gwandit ngay je go ci gwandit ka belo cham ko gwandit ci tele so the same as us mi ci kor mala cha kon gwendo bo wale cha kon nang nyam cha na jogoro no bana te ke moral chana jogoro no bana we woniam but this said na mera mate wij mi dida we go ke wij mi did ala be wajak yene dia kan shot kun kan ka shal ter lo de ke ye ala moya tam gato am thank you le de lan mi did long ga look thank you mani yene dia kan shot kulat karama ndongon min ci der we long mama mol dial I really appreciate what you are doing. More la to bila baba kay ni duel gwa melo mita my day yonder wa wag na so Sudan. Hello, that's it. Yendi alwe ka wonyam shomorokun be kwar mal ba yemo ko pol poi me yene dia to la ta ko men gwa me yene dia ta share yanke. This is a teamwork. Amelet kona. Let kona teamwork so chana work wonyam. Ray Ladan, Green Town, you are doing a very good job. Thank you so much, Yendi. I'll change should can we mention Kendial, but be you can thank you, Nadia to Moiga thumbs, la terana to tinene. I really appreciate God bless you, Yenedia to pal, channel would come to Kore pala, Kokara Kongto, Chiloid and Bete the Walla Cabana Moralan, but you talk a while ago, should also have no. We need to keep going, we need to keep praying, we need to keep hope. Peace and love forever. Thank you. Borshare for life. Bye bye.